Hello, welcome to today's behind the scenes episode. We're not going to talk about music. I thought I'd show you how I make the thumbnails for each of the episodes just for a bit of a change, and I thought it might be interesting. I have 7 colours for 7 days of the week. If you were trying to do this, you probably wouldn't be stupid enough to try and do an episode every day. So you probably only need to pick one theme colour. In general, they are laid out like this. So a picture, my head, logo and title, they are split up like this. I've put these red lines on this one using that sort of rule of thirds of design. So vertically, we've got a third with the title and then 2/3 for the image, and then 2/3 horizontally for the image, and then 1/3 for my head, 1/3 for the logo. And it just breaks up the image when people look at it as a thumbnail, because it's going to be a lot smaller when it appears on YouTube. And I thought the image was probably the most important thing to put in. The only thing I do with the images once I've done a screen capture like this is I arrange it either plus or minus 2 degrees just to give it a bit of movement, as they say in design. In style, I add a border that is always white and it's always 5 points thick. So that makes the image consistent. So there you go, that's the image part covered. The titles are just text boxes, but I'll come back to those in a minute because I'll reveal how we've got this jaunty little angle on it. The pictures of me are just selected from 8 that I did. Pretty much any program will have a tutorial online of how to put an outline around an image you cut out. Just remember to try and take the picture in front of a plain background or a green screen, even better, because then you'll be able to cut out that particular image really well before you then put the outline around it. I think I probably need to redo these and maybe get some more in. But it keeps everything consistent because I'm going to always have one of these 8 images in the bottom right corner. So that's fairly easy to do. Then we've got the logo. Now, here's a bit of a reveal. If I move this logo, it is a logo on a black background, and I have color coded it to match with whatever the theme is for the day. So there's a green one, and then say on Music Mondays it's got the blue colouring instead. Okay, here's the magic of how you create a nice jaunty angle. What you do is put a black triangle over it, and then the black background of the logo then makes it look like this bit has been carefully tailored, but actually all it is a rectangular text box. That one happens to have the colour background, this one has the coloured text. Literally, that's all there is to it. So let's make today's. Oh, the other thing is I alternate from left to right. So if this is left, so remember L for left is Music Monday. It doesn't work for you because it's in reverse. Anyway, if Music Monday was left, then it'd go right, left, right, left, right, left. When we come back round to Music Monday, instead of being left, that now has to be right, which is really accidentally useful, because when you see it in the playlist, if you just saw all the videos listed next to each other, they'd go left, right, left, right. And if you go to a playlist, say Music Monday playlist, they also go left, right, left, right, left, right. So that was accidental, but I do quite like it. Let's go to behind the scenes. So the last one I did, I tried to swap out which head I used. Let's use that one because that was a while ago. All I do is duplicate an old one. I know my head's right, the logo's right, the colour's right. The main title for the playlist is correct for behind the scenes. I just need to come up with a title and an image. That's literally it. So relabel this. That seems like a sensible title. Now I need an image, and what I have done is put a load of the thumbnails in here. I took a screenshot of it, and that means I can now pop in it here, resize it so it sort of fits. So common tones yesterday was down to the right, so this needs to be down on the left, so just 2 degrees. Remember to stick the border on it, which is white, 5 points, and then just enlarge it, make it fit, don't go over anything else. And there you have it. That's ready to export. Remember the number 93. Export to images from 93 to 93. And it's behind the scenes. YouTube thumbnails. So I'll be able to easily find that now when I upload it to YouTube, which you will be watching now. There you go. That's how I do YouTube thumbnails, just in case you were interested. Don't forget, like and subscribe. Always appreciated if you want to be notified when stuff comes up on the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.